I'm recording.
Oh.
I think. Hello!
You must have figured it out.
We're in Alaska. Welcome to God's country.
Iceberg!
We have some icebergs. Just a little bit of snow in the distance. And
Glaciation.
some glaciation.
Glaciation.
Pretty awesome. Incredible.
A little chilly.
A little chilly. How we feeling about today, Chris?
Today's a good day.
Yes.
Nice drive, nice dinner.
Yep.
It's been good.
Has been good.
We got paid today too.
Yeah, we did.
Paid to be here.
Paid to do this. I'm in Alaska, Mom. Check it out. All right, over and out.